This masala cheese toast is something you'll keep coming back to again and again. It's very simple, easy, and surprisingly very light. I really hope you try it. Ingredients are very simple: some butter or olive oil, red onions, tomatoes, hot chilies if you're into spice, mozzarella cheese, and some bread. So let's get started by adding in some butter and really just swirl that around on our pan. Now as soon as that butter has melted, add in your onions. We just want to sweat these onions out until they've become soft. Now add in your tomatoes. Just cut them really small. It's gonna help cook them a bit faster. And if you're having chilies today, add that in as well. Now just give this all a quick mix. Bring all the ingredients together, and then we'll season it with some salt and chili powder. The chili is just to add to the flavor. I'm using degi mirch, which contains so much more flavor than it contains spice, and it adds to the pungent bright red color of the dish. And that salt is really gonna help cook down these tomatoes and make them soft much quicker. Now just bring all these spices together and let the tomatoes become soft. Now you can see here the tomatoes have started to become very soft. Just cook this for a few more minutes until it has broken down even further. Just like that. Take a look. That's exactly what you'll want to be looking for this recipe. Now as soon as you get here, make sure you have your cheese ready and you add that all in your pan. Turn off the heat and then start mixing. You really want that cheese to be well combined, and you don't want any direct heat while mixing the cheese. Now that's some cheesy goodness right there. Now that's just some toasted bread, and you can add as much or as little of that masala cheese mixture onto your toast. Take a look at that. Beautiful. This is the most fun part of this dish, and I really hope all of you will enjoy it. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. A simple recipe to really spice up your breakfast, make it more exciting, and you really have to try this. If you want more videos just like this, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button down below, and leave me a comment if you had a good time. See you guys.